This is what 30-year-old plastic interior problems look like. First off, this, yeah, get some of that. Not only that, but this sucker, listen to this. It is crispy. All the mounting points were broke off, like so. The mounting points are supposed to look like this. Oh, yeah. There's one. There's two. Oh, where is it? The third one, not even there. Fourth. Fifth. And then you have two little white plastic things, which I've already pulled out. We're replacing them with some brand new ones. So that's the left side. And let's see. Driver's side is already in. I don't know if you can see it very well, but yeah. When you go to pull them out, if you do go to pull them out, you need to pull back this piece, and it goes down behind and underneath the back speaker cover if you go to replace yours. So I highly recommend, if you need to, replace them. Be careful with these plastic seat belts. They have, I've already broke mine. This piece right here is curled over, and this is curled over, and then those two snap in. So you have to pull it, like lift up the bottom and then pull it directly down. So lift up the bottom, pull directly down to not break these clips. I broke it. Well, it's 30 years old, so it's, but you'll never know. But yeah. Replace yours if you haven't already. Let's see if I can get a better angle on this. Yeah. And there's the finished product. So once again, if you're going to do this, you gotta remove the screw behind the seat belt, drop the plastic piece here, undo the 14mm bolt, loosen the 14mm bolt down here for this seat belt, thread it through. Remember to lift from the bottom and then pull down to not break those clips, and that it goes underneath the rear deck speaker surround. But that is the final product, ladies and gentlemen, and hope you like it, because I keep doing more and more.